morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for a meltdown Monday morning. Yeah, it's a meltdown, as you can see behind me here, on September 20th, 2021 at 8:25 a.m. Central Time. So as we look at the market, you've already bounced off the lows pretty good. You were down 160 points from here. So you were down nearly 700 points in the Dow. As you can see, you're 16 off the low. You were down 81 points in the S&P. The NASDAQ is up 40. They were down nearly 300 points. The dollar's held up. Number of currencies lower. But it's the typical play in safe haven. The yen has got a bid. The dollar's got a bid. Gold, surprisingly, a small bid. Nothing to write home about. Bonds and notes getting their bid. What's getting smashed is Bitcoin. So all that talk, it replaced gold. Well, today's not the case. And energy prices are sharply lower along with the grain markets. Now, I like what's going on in beans. This fits in with the special report that I put out on, I think it was Thursday. Today will be the last day of it, and we'll get to that in a minute right at the end of this so you can still view it. It goes off our website today. So what is going on? Well, not this. 9 o'clock, we get the National Association of Home Builders. The two-day FOMC meeting begins today. Everyone will be looking at the dot plot. That's what they're going to look at to see if any more of the members are voting to move forward the tapering time. Maybe we'll hear that November, December timeframe might come out of that statement by the Fed chair on Wednesday. We'll see. Pfizer, in a good announcement, said that between the vaccine works for children ages 5 to 11. Now, it's a different size dosage. I looked into that already this morning. I think it's a third of the size. But they like what they see. I wonder how they get all these kids to test and all that. That's always been fascinating to me. Chinese customs data came out this morning, and the losers are, not corn, up 221% over the year earlier month, but it is soybeans down a little bit. The wheat, just barely up, and pork got hit. That's off 21% from the year earlier month. And I told you, China's claiming that they have taken care of the African swine fever and that is working better for them. But what's really been going on is the markets have been rolling over since we began in September in stock indices, and now we're getting a crescendo. I don't know where it will end. Don't pretend that I know. Doesn't matter. You can see the market coming down. You're either playing it for the downside or you stand out of its way. Could it end up being a 5% or more correction? That's what we'll be waiting to see. Now, as I said in my special grain report, I'm doing now each week I'm going to do special reports. I decided to start off with the grain last week. I'll pick another one this week and do another report for you. But I covered in the soybean market the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the seasonal charts. I talk about the end of September, beginning of October is where you normally peter out on the downside and start a rally coming back. You might want to see why, how it comes about, where we're at in that cycle right now. To do so, it's simple. Just go to our website under the word research. You'll see the report right there. Click on and view it. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day, and I will talk to you tomorrow.